Imagine this. Your idea changes the world. Triathlon, the ecosystem for entrepreneurship, innovation and knowledge transfer at Saarland University. We believe great ideas are our most valuable resource, and the people behind them our greatest strength. People driven by passion, curiosity and the courage to take bold steps. People who grow, learn and take responsibility. In a world of constant change, we create an environment where innovation takes shape. Spaces, events, and a network that connects and inspires. From the first sketch to a market-ready prototype, we support founders at every stage of their startup journey. Where research, business, and society come together. Where ideas become technologies, business models, and solutions for the challenges of tomorrow. Hundreds of startups, inspiring founders, thousands of jobs created, real impact. Triathlon initiated Southwest X, the startup factory for the Southwest region. Across borders, we are driving sustainable progress together. New perspectives enabled by flexible infrastructure. From the Innovation Center with its co-working spaces and FabLab, to the Starter Center and Growth Center. Whether local or global, we foster entrepreneurial thinking and empower the next generation of innovators. For a Europe driven by innovation. Triathlon, your starting point for entrepreneurship and knowledge transfer at Saarland University.